Hello everyone, my name is Sean Nonis and I'm studying information technology at Middlesex University, Dubai. This is the storyboard for a web page for a car rental called Black Horse Rent a Car. This is part of my coursework 4 for the module Discovering Interaction Design. This video was made using Cam Studio and the software used for this presentation is Balsamic. Okay, so let's start with the home page. This is the home page. This is the logo of the company Black Horse Rent a Car, the rental. This is the title. This title and these buttons are going to be there on every page. This will be the body of the page. You can put anything you want. I've used a little space to put a paragraph about the information about the rental or the history, whichever the company decides. That you can put a few images here. You can put some copyrighted information here so that no one will copy your work. You can choose your language, and this is the help button. And you have about us as well. Let's start with that. About us will take you to details about the company, and you can put the owner's photo or something in here. And yeah, going home. We'll start with registration. Registration will take the user to the registration page. The user will have to input email, username, password, and confirm the password. Then the user will press register. If registration is successful, it will come to this page with a pop-up message saying registration successful. If you press OK, it will take you to the login page. But if unsuccessful, a pop-up message will say registration failed. It will take you back to registration, and you're gonna have to fill in the details again and press register. If this time it's successful, you can press OK and you'll go to the login page, which is the same button here. Then you'll put your username and your password and you'll log in. Once you log in, you go back to the home page. If unsuccessful in logging in, you'll get a pop-up message saying login failed, invalid username or password, and if you press OK, it'll take you back to the login page. If somehow the user forgets his or her password, you can reset your password using forget your password, this link, and it will take you to a password reset page where you have to input the email ID, and when you press reset, it'll send you an email to your email ID which you entered, and a notification, a pop-up message will say an email has been sent to your account with a password reset link. And if you press OK, it usually should go to the home page, but since I can't show you how the email thing works, I'm gonna go straight to the link where you reset your password, and that'll be this page. You can input your new password and confirm it, and you can press reset. If resetting the password is successful, you get a pop-up saying password reset successful. If not, it'll say password reset failed, passwords do not match. If you press OK, it'll go back to the password reset page, and you can input your passwords again and press reset. If you're successful this time, you can press login. You can press OK, which will go to the login page, and you can input your username and password and login. If you're successful in logging in, you'll go back to the home page. Okay. Next is the profile. The individual's profile has to be updated so that renting can be made easy. The full name, date of birth, gender, the address for delivery, your physical address, and your contact details, mobile phone, home phone, office phone. And this little box right here is so that you can upload either images or documents of the document files, the passport copy, visa copy, Emirates ID copy, and driver's license. And you should press update profile. Once you press update, all your details will get added to the rentals database, and pressing this button will take you to the home page. So now your details are updated. Let's start with browse. In browse, you can either search for the vehicle you want, or you can browse by the car make, the car model, or the car class. Right now all these four buttons including search is redirected to second browse page where results are shown, but in the actual application it should take you to a separate browse by make page, separate browse by model page, and a separate browse by class page, and a search page as well, search results page as well. Right now all of them read to the same place, browse page 2. Browse page 2 will be the screen where you'll have your results by make in one row, by model in another row, and if you had searched, a list of search results should appear. Right now all of these are linked to a page where it'll show you the vehicle's description, and if you select on one, for example vehicle 1, it'll take you to the vehicle information of vehicle 1, and the image of the vehicle can be here. The vehicle's make and model will be here, and the vehicle class will be here, the vehicle's information, and the vehicle's price. The back button here will take you back to this page, and you can either select the same vehicle or go to another. For example, vehicle 2 will go to this same page again, and if you're satisfied with this, you can proceed to checkout. That will take you to the different payment methods. Here we have used credit card, debit card, and cash on delivery. Cash on delivery is when in your profile we have address for delivery. So this physical address is where your car will be delivered to. Let's go back to browse, search, select a vehicle, and proceed to checkout. So cash on delivery will use that address to deliver your vehicle to you, and you will pay when the vehicle arrives at your place, at your physical address. And methods of payment here: credit card will take you to a credit cards page, debit card will take you to debit cards page. I've used different buttons here since I can't program this same button in 3 different ways. Debit card will take you to the debit card page, cash on delivery will take you to that respective page. So we'll go with credit card now. If you press proceed, you'll go to the credit card payment page. You can either select Visa or Master, put your card number, expiry date, a month and year, and your security code, and you press make payment. Since this is dealing with money, I've used a box to just show that it's secure, and I've used HTTPS to show that the website is secure. And when you press make payment, it will ask you whether you want to make this payment. Since we are dealing with cash, with money, we want to make sure that users don't make a accidental payment if they don't want the vehicle. So pressing no will take you back to the credit card payment page, and pressing yes will take you to I will show you a notification if your payment is successful, and if you press OK after it's successful, it will take you to the home page. But if your payment is unsuccessful, it will show you a different notification saying credit card payment failed and rental cancelled. Let's go back to the credit card page again. Now when you make a payment and you press yes, and if you're successful, it'll say click here for online receipt. That will take you to a different page which is handled by a different the cards provider. Yes. And it'll give you your online receipt for the amount you paid and all your details which are important when you are taking a receipt. And the same thing applies if it's unsuccessful. The receipt will say payment did not go through, and so on. And we'll go back to the home page. Let's go back to payment methods. Now if you want to use debit card, it's the same process, except the card type will be the debit card payment, and the card type will be similar: card number, expiry date, security code, and make payment. And again, it will ask you for confirmation because it's dealing with money. And if you don't want, press no. If you want to go through with this, you press yes. And again, if it's successful, you get the notification saying it's successful. Press OK, it'll take you to the home page. If unsuccessful, the pop-up notification that it was unsuccessful. And again, in both we have the online receipt. Successful and unsuccessful payments will both have online receipts. You press OK, you go back to the home page. Quick rent. Quick rent is if you're already a user and you know what vehicle you want, you can just come to quick rent, select your class, the vehicle. I've used just vehicle 1, 2, 3, and the pickup date, the drop off date, and the location where you want to pick it up or drop it off. Sorry, location to pick it up, and you press proceed. And again, it will take you to the payment method and the previous process as well. Proceed, make payments, if it's confirmation, if it's successful, this, or if unsuccessful, this notification. Press OK, and you go back to the home page. Now the last page, about us, will be the details of the company. You can put the owner's photo here, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for